Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about a new airdrop that was launched just a couple of days ago. So yesterday Chain actually got listed at every top exchanges, and right now guys, you can see it made a new all-time high of about $14.83. And right now guys, people who must have heard about this Chain just yesterday may think that Chain just came around new. No, Chain has actually been around for several months, and right now yesterday was when they are finally got listed. So what I'm trying to say is that many testnet project that we are engaging on may not likely pay off immediately. It may not even pay in a couple of weeks. Some of them may take months, but when you get paid from a testnet airdrop, you know that surely you got paid for it. So right here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about a new special project which launched just a few days ago. And right now guys, I'm going to be telling you guys what you need to do right now to position on it so that you can also enjoy the benefits. The people that I know personally got a minimum of $500, but people that actually put in enough effort got up to $4,000 completely free from the Chain airdrop. So right now, stay positioned. Let me teach you about this new project called MagicNewton. So right now, let me take you first of all to the Twitter account. Over here guys, on the Twitter account, you can see they have about 179,000 followers right now, and everything has been going on smoothly right now. But I'm not going to be bothering you with a lot of stories. I'll be going straight into the business of the day on how you can be able to participate on the airdrop. So right now guys, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I position you for all the good opportunities that exist on this crypto space. I also help you guys resolve some of your crypto related problem, and I help you stay updated on whatever thing that is happening on the crypto space so far you earning completely free is concerned. So right now guys, let's go straight into the business of the day. So the link is going to be on the video description box. Copy the link and follow what I'm going to be showing you right now. Before I forget, remember we do give out ton to our community. If you're watching a video right now, you can simply participate on our ton giveaway. Simply make sure that you have subscribed, like, and also comment on this video. Most importantly, share this video to anywhere you want, and with that you have now qualified to receive ton coin from our community. All right, so right now we are going to be starting right now. So the first thing you need to do, like I said, copy the link from the video description box, and once you copy the link, then you head over to your Mrs. browser. I like using Mrs. browser because Mrs. browser is actually the browser that actually makes the whole work much easier for me. For example, I can easily access my extensions. You can see right here, before you participate properly on most of all this airdrop, you need a good extensions like Phantom browser and Phantom wallet and metamask wallet, because these are the two most important wallets that are required for you to actually participate on all this airdrop. So I've made a video about how to actually add all this extension. Check out the video description to get the video that's gonna be helping you add all this extension. So what I need to do right is simply come over here and paste the link that I have already copied from the video description box. And once you have pasted the link, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and of course search for it. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So you can see what we have here. This site can be reached. So what do you need to do from here? What you need to do is simply go to your Play Store. Okay, over here on your Play Store, you go ahead and download a very good working VPN. And once it is downloaded, you go ahead and click on open. So as it is opening up right now, you are going to require to set it up. If you haven't set it up yet, then you go ahead and connect. Okay, so let's see if we're going to be getting connected right now. And once we are connected, we go back and try and see if we can be able to go to the website. So right now we are now connected to the VPN. So we go back to this website right now and try reloading it again. Let's see what we're gonna have right now. Okay, so you can see the website is now loading up real quick. So let's see if it's going to be opening up real quick. Okay, so right now we are now into the website. So you can see the possible difficulty that you may encounter while trying to do this. So right now that we have gained access, right now we need to do is simply read this up. Okay, join Newton, enter a word beyond wallet, and 150 credits when you sign up now. So what I need to do is to simply sign up. So I can either sign up using my email address, or I can sign up using any of these options right here, but I'm going to be using my wallet. You can go ahead and use your email if you find that more interesting, but I'm going to be using my wallet. I will click on it right now. This is going to be popping up my metamask wallet, and once my metamask wallet is popped up, then I need to connect it immediately. So right now we have connected. We are now required to sign this message. You click on sign message. This is going to be popping up your metamask wallet again. You go ahead and of course click on confirm. Okay, and once you click on confirm like this, then you have now successfully connected to this Newton website right now. So once it opens right now, you can see immediately you are going to be given 150 credits. So I'm hearing a sound right now in the background. I think this website actually has some sound on it, so let me try and find out where I can turn it off. Okay, you can see it right here down here. You click on it right now the sound is off. Okay, so what do we need to do from here? What we need to do from here is very, very simple as ABC. So when you look over here, you can see we have quest right here, and over here the quests are actually splitted into two. We have the main quest and the side quest. So what do we need to do from here? What we need to do is to simply go ahead and complete as many as possible. That is the first rule of Airdrop. Make sure you complete as many quests as possible, because the more quests that you complete, or the more tasks that you actually complete, the more you are going to be getting Airdrop allocation. Okay, so what I need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course click on explore quest. Once you click on explore quest, you can see this is what we have right here. So right here we have start quest. So over here you are required to sign up on female, enter your female email, and of course verified. So you literally need to sign up on all this. I don't know if this is websites. Actually, you need to sign up on them and then enter the email that you used to sign up right here before you can then proceed to verifying it. So right now, let me do the first one real quick. I will click on start quest right now, and of course you can see we are now required to click on sign up. This is going to be taking us to the female website. I think the same thing is required for you to do this place right here, but I'm going to be doing only this one because I don't want this video to take so much time. And after when we are done with the quest, we are going to be getting 250 credit. Okay, I'm actually doing this for the first time. So right now we click on sign up. So this is going to be taking us to the website where they are actually writing us right now, and what we need to do is simply create an account and then go back to the MagicNewton website, then verify the same email that we used to create an account right here. So I need to enter my email right here very quickly. So I will enter my email like this. Then after you enter your email, then you are going to be required to verify this captcha to confirm that you are not a robot. Okay, so this is very simple, and right now on this video I'm going to be doing it right now so you can see how I do it. So we simply need to check this box right now. Sometimes it's going to be requiring you to solve captcha like select images, and right now guys I have done that already on this browser. That's why it's not popping up again. So right now I need to click on login or sign up like this, and once you click on it, your account is going to be created right now immediately. Let's see what we're going to have from here. You can see we are having welcome to female.io. right now we are required to input our name and of course our last name and then verify this captcha. I'm going to be doing it right now real quick. And right now guys, you can see we have now gained access into this website. And right now guys, the last thing right here is please enter the code sent to your email. So right now guys, a code is going to be sent to my email. Let me go ahead and of course get the code that they are sending me right there and paste right here in order for me to verify my account. So right now I'll be heading to my email box. Over here guys, on my email box, this is the code. I have to copy it right now, and once I just copy it, I will head back to that website. Then I have to paste it right here. Okay, and you can see it is now being verified, and right now my email has been officially verified on that website. Remember, what we are doing is that we are trying to learn how to complete those quests on the MagicNewton website and then qualify for the airdrop that is coming very, very soon. So right now, after this loads up, then we are now heading back to the MagicNewton website to confirm it. Okay, so you can see right here guys, this is what they have for you right here. You made it in this blah blah blah. So right now I think we are done. We need to go back to the MagicNewton because I do not actually have an interest in what they are doing right here. What I need is simply to qualify for the MagicNewton airdrop. Okay, so coming over here right now, we are now back to the MagicNewton website. We need to input the email that we have already used to sign up on the website that it took us to. Right now we click on verify. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So you can see they have actually sent you another code on your email box again. Right now you are required to get the code and then paste it right here. So this is actually a new method of airdrop entirely because I haven't actually participated on any airdrop like this one. So that's why it's important for you to pay close attention so that we understand how I'm going to be able to solve everything right here. Okay, so right now we go to my email box to get the code they already sent right there. And right here, this is the code right here. I need to copy this code real quick. Okay, I need to copy the code like this. Then I will head back to the website and then paste it right here to verify it. So right now I will click on submit. So this is going to be loading up real quick, and I think we are done. You can see completed. We are done. So what I need to do is simply continue with other ones right now. You need to, do this one, do this one, do this one, do this one, do this one as well. Just make sure you are done with everything. Okay, so right now we go to the side quest to explore how it looks like. So on this side quest, this is where you actually get your referral link to refer people. Also, you follow on X, you join all this. You know how all these ones are done. Very simple. And as you are doing it, this is where your points are accumulating. Okay, so this is how simple it is to participate on MagicNewton airdrop. Okay, you can see this is your progress so far, and you can see all these are very simple. Remember, you need to come over here daily. You need to come over here and roll every single time. You can see mystery roll for bonus credit unlock every day. So right now we are going to be giving giving it a try right now. You click on roll. Now let's see what we're gonna have right here. You can see they're actually trying to teach you how to play. Let's now proceed and click to let's roll, and you can see throw dice. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay. And right now, guys, you can see the dice are rolling up, and after it's rolled, you can see we got 20 credits. Okay, right, see you can only do this only once every single day. Okay, and when I head back right now, you can see that my points has been added right now. So this is simply how you participate on MagicNewton airdrop. So if you have any question, let me know on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you resolve it as soon as I can. I'll be very active right there on the comment section to respond to you all immediately. Thank you for watching the video. I believe you got a value and you liked the video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and finally make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.